Dear students, today we are starting operations on rational numbers. First operation, addition of rational numbers. First one is addition of rational numbers in which the denominators are same. For example, 5 upon 17 plus 8 upon 17. 17 is LCM. If the denominators are same, then we can add the numerators directly. 8 plus 5 equals to 13 upon 17. The second one is if the denominators of rational numbers are different, then how to add the given rational numbers. For example, 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3. First we have to take the LCM of denominators. 3 and 4 equals to 12. The LCM 12 is divided by denominator of first number 4. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3 multiplied by its numerator 1 plus 12 divided by denominator of second rational number 3 equals to 4. 4 multiplied by its numerator 2. 8 equals to 11 upon 12. Now, properties of addition of rational numbers. Properties of addition of rational numbers. First property is closure property. Closure property, that means directly we can say if we add any rational number in another rational number, then the sum is also rational number. That means we can say sum of rational numbers is also a rational number. Then it is known as closure property. For example, 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. First we have to take the LCM. 5 and 3, 15. 15 is divided by 5 equals to 3. 3 multi 1, 3 plus 15 divided by 3. 3 5 is 15, 5 2 is 10. Then the answer is 13 upon 15. So 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 are the rational numbers, and 13 upon 15 is also rational numbers. The next property is commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property means we can change the order of given rational numbers and the answer will be same. For example, 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4 equals to 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 7. That means no change in answer after changing the order. 1 upon 4 is second number, here 1 upon 4 on first number. 7 and 4, the LCM of 7 and 4, 28. 28, the LCM is also in right side. 28 divided by 7, 7 4 is 28, 4 2 is 8 plus 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. 28 divided by 7 equals to 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 15 upon 28. 15 upon 28. That means we can say after changing the order of given rational numbers in addition, there will be no change in answer. Next property, associative property. Associative property of rational numbers on addition. In this property we can say A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F, A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F. We can say in this property there is no change in answer if we put bracket on different numbers. For example, 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 7 equals to 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 7. We have to put the brackets on different numbers. By addition, first we have to solve the brackets according to BODMAS. The LCM of 6 and 7, 42. 42 is divided by 6. 7 5s are 35. 42 is divided by 6 equals to 7. 7 multiplied 5 equals to 35. 42 is divided by 7 equals to 6 multiplied by 4, 24. Here the LCM of 3 and 6 equals to 6. Therefore we can say 6 is divided by 3 equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4, plus 6 is divided by 6 equals to 1 multiplied by 5 equals to 5. Now in the next step we can write (5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 2 5). The next LCM is 6 multi 7 42, and here the 42 is also LCM in left hand side. 42 is divided by 3 equals to 14. 14 2s are 28. Now 42 is divided by 42 equals to 1 multiplied by 59. In the next step, right hand side, 42 is divided by 6 equals to 7. 9 7 are 63. 42 is divided by 7 equals to 6. 6 4 are 24. In the next step we can add 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 8 17, carry over 1, 5 plus 2 7 and 1 8. Look at the answer. The left hand side and right hand sides are equal, but the brackets on different sides on different numbers, but the answer will be same. This is called associative property of addition of rational numbers. The next property is additive property of 0. Additive property of 0. In this property we can understand easily, after the addition of 0 in any given rational number, the answer will be no change. For example, a upon b plus 0 equals to 0. That is 2 upon 3 plus 0 equals to 2 upon 3. The next property of rational numbers, property of additive inverse. Property of additive inverse. In other words, we can say the negative rational numbers, existence of negative rational numbers is also additive inverse. For example, if we add in given number a upon b minus a upon b, then the answer will be 0. Therefore, we can say minus a upon b is additive inverse of a upon b. Here minus a upon b is additive inverse of plus a upon b. For example, 2 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. After the addition, plus minus 2 upon 3. 3 is the LCM. 2 minus 2 equals to 0 upon 3. 0 is divided by 3 equals to 0. Okay. Rest of the chapter will discuss about the properties of rational numbers on subtraction, multiplication and division also in the next videos.